This is one of my best buys ever. Sobrang nagduda pa ako sa kitchen storage cabinet na to kasi baka ako madali lang masira, tumumba or baka unstable. Pero grabe, sobrang sulit siya. Sobrang tagal na nito sa cart ko but I finally decided to take the risk na bilhin siya. Nagadaan kasi ako sa style niya, tapos sobrang gusto ko na i-organize yung pantry and dining area namin. So I bought it na. Pagka-deliver, super na-excite kaming i-assemble agad. Thankfully, complete yung parts niya and madali lang i-assemble. Mga 3 hours din namin ginawa with breaks pa, but all those hours spent assembling this was so worth it. We got the one with 5 layers lang. May 3 cabinets with doors na you can easily slide to close para iwas bugs or dust. Bet ko na may parang table siya sa gitna with pegboard na pwede mong sabitan ng other organizers or whatever you want. Pwede rin actually kitchen appliances dito. You can move it around kasi it comes with wheels, pero you can use the footpads lang if you plan to store heavy appliances or groceries here. Like kami, may ice shaver and bread maker sa ibabaw. Ayan, punong-puno siya ng snacks and other pantry items namin. Last year pa namin binili to and ito na itsura niya ngayon. Sobrang worth it and must buy talaga. If you're thinking of buying this then, ito na ang sign mo. Buy na!